Hi YouTubers, this is Tiana. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a curly braided hairstyle. First, what I do is I'm start off with my BB Lock and Love Serum. Then we're going to apply our Passion Curls Jelly Pudding, begin braiding the middle section. Then we're going to part off a section and then create another section and apply a braid at the top. Then we're going to go downward, braiding up till we create like a TikTok design. And then continue braiding it. And then we're going to spray our hair with some water to create curls. And then we're going to apply our Passion Body Butter Cream. And it's a hair and body butter cream. Apply that, and that's just going to texturize it even more. It's going to give you more like hydrated feel. Add the gel, texturize it. And then we're just going to add the finishing touches. And I'm just pretty much doing my edges. And then that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Very short video how I created a braided curly hairstyle. Thanks for watching.